How to use floating candles. Floating candles are a beautiful addition to any party or gathering that you may have. There are many different ways to display them and put them in your decor. They give a festive atmosphere to any special event like weddings, parties, outdoor dinners, and family gatherings. They can be used for a more romantic mood, and they can just be set up to provide a relaxing environment. Things you will need: floating candles, glass cylinders, clear glass bowls, pond, pool, bathtub. Put floating candles on a pool. This is a beautiful display of light, and makes an outdoor gathering very festive. Do this when you have a dinner party and when the pool is not in use. The water needs to remain calm, however, or the candles will become swamped. Float them in clear glass cylinders and insert ribbon or flowers in the water below the candle. This gives added decoration to the candle display. Any clear glass container in a beautiful shape will work for floating candles. Use them as table centerpieces in weddings and dinner parties, or use them on the bar in the kitchen. Put them in clear glass bowls displayed in the bathroom or anywhere in the home when you have guests. Again, this makes your home more lovely. Float candles in the pond for outdoor events. Use large lotus flower-shaped floating candles, and this will be a beautiful display to add to your party or gathering. Tips: warnings. Don't leave the home without putting the candles out.